Hello everybody, my name is Kyle, and this is Flight Risk, my 2004 Thomasville MVP school bus, 34 foot, the Caterpillar C7 Acer. Come on in, let's take a look inside. So welcome to my home. This is, like I said, this is Flight Risk. It is a rush job. In about 117 days, managed to put this thing together to bail out of South Carolina, get away from the heat and humidity. It is very simply equipped, but with all the necessities: garbage disposal, pull-out drawers, spice rack, and other items. Simple cabinetry up top. Artwork done by my good friend Gargana. She did a wood burning of a couple locations I have had the opportunity to actually travel to over the past few years, as well as some local currencies that I've taken home with me. Simply equipped, the school bus was originally designed as a toy hauler and a modification of the handicap lift to lift my last motorcycle, which was a 2011 Yamaha FJR 1300 Sport Tourer. Approximately 700 pounds with me, with some chain reinforcements and an extension. The handicap lift was able to lift me and the bike into the back. Unfortunately, after a motorcycle accident, I carry a tool chest around instead of a motorcycle, as it was totaled out. So that was my fourth motorcycle, and I'm feeling a bit naked without a bike these days. Simple little mini fridge here, straight off of Amazon, where most things came from. Most of the parts and equipment and building materials were actually purchased from Lowe's and Amazon themselves. All clothing is up top. That's all the clothing I own these days. Separate little small miscellaneous storage around the bus itself, storage underneath the bed where my water tanks are also held. Specs on the bus itself as far as a build are 84 gallons of fresh water, approximately 64 gallons of black and gray water system, about 400 watts of solar on the roof via 4 panels 100 times, which are greatly underpowering my 700 amp hour battery bank. 4 batteries at 124 amp hours apiece. The entire system is heated and cooled by a diesel heater. The mini split system, which is a 9,000 BTU Pioneer inverter, and the electrical is equipped with a 30 amp Shoreline connection. Other than that, the bus also includes a Insta hot water heater at 12 liters, and the hot water heater and the cooktop stove are powered by 2 20-pound propane tanks. The bathroom is a wet bath, the very simple flush toilet, small medicine cabinet, and the shower being built into the wall itself, with a very small drain in the center that is not properly plumbed, must be upgraded. It fits all the needs in a very basic package.
Sure. Very nice.
Much appreciated.
Yeah, thank you.
No, absolutely. Pleasure
And do
having you.
you have any social media?
Yes, you can find me on Instagram at Flight Risk Skoolie.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you very much for coming.
Hope you enjoyed that video. And remember, there'll be another one next Saturday. So please tell your friends and hit the subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. All right. See you next time, YouTube. Bye.